Oil prices had a volatile day, opening up higher, getting all the way up north of $75 a barrel for the first time in 2024 before reversing lower, still ending higher in the day but closing just below 73, so giving up a lot of those gains. The early morning rally came on the heels of rising geopolitical risks and the potential to production going on in the Middle East, but things calmed. We saw prices move lower. Oil has really pretty much been a better indicator of economic growth as we've seen prices come down significantly going back to September when we were trading at 95, down into the low 70s where we are today. Over the last, call it 3 to 4 weeks, we've seen oil range from 70 up to 76. So while today's rally was big, it didn't quite exceed the recent $6 range we've seen over the last 3 to 4 weeks. Again, closing just below $73 a barrel to end the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You'll notice the volatility has been rising in oil, and no surprise, as again, oil rises ahead of a holiday weekend, so we have an extra day to watch and wait. Likewise, with rising geopolitical risks, any potential interruption to production is obviously going to be something that throws a wrench into volatility. Volatility closed today higher as prices were all over the map. Lastly, let's talk about positioning. What are speculators doing? Well, as of Tuesday of this week, speculators were adding back to their net long positions. Going back to the early part of October through the end of the year, speculators had been exiting their net long positions. So now just starting to maybe see a turn here as rising risks in the Middle East present an opportunity. So given the fact that we saw prices rise today, speculators had been adding back to their net long positions earlier in the week. So a big week for oil, seeing a big move today, rallying all the way up north of 75 before seeing a pullback ahead of the U.S. holiday weekend and rising political tensions in the Middle East.